Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making a juicy lemon crusted chicken quarters, a crispy, tangy and absolutely delicious dish that is sure to impress. These chicken quarters are packed with flavor and get that perfect crunch, all while keeping it light and tasty. So if you're a fan of zesty lemon and crispy chicken, this recipe is a must try. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe for more mouth-watering recipes and share it with your friends and family. To get this recipe started, you will need 4 beautiful chicken quarters. That's what my chicken quarters looks like. We're going to go in with a piece of paper towel and pat excess water off this beautiful chicken, and then we're going to continue with this delicious lemon crusted chicken recipe. To continue with this delicious lemon crusted chicken recipe, we're going to add 1 lemon zest to a small size bowl. Next, we're going to go in with our vegetable oil. If you have olive oil, you can use it as well for this recipe. Along with our vegetable oil, we're going to add 1 lemon juice to the bowl. Next, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of dry oregano leaves. Now we're going to go in with our paprika seasoning to add lots of flavor to this lemon crusted chicken recipe. To add more flavor to this recipe, you will need your garlic powder, which is optional for this recipe, but I like my chicken nice and fully seasoned, so if that's you, I would definitely suggest you add a teaspoon of garlic powder. Next, you want to add your ground black pepper and just 2 tablespoons of my homemade seasoning, fresh homemade seasoning, which consists of lots of peppers, onions, garlic, and some extra flavorful seasoning. So we're going to give that a very nice mix. Then we're going to pour this delicious marinade onto our chicken. We're going to coat this beautiful chicken into the marinade, and then we're going to continue with this delicious lemon crusted chicken quarters recipe. Now we're going to add this beautiful chicken to a small size bowl, and then we're going to set this to marinate for about 30 to 45 minutes. After 30 to 45 minutes, I'm going to show you guys what these beautiful chicken quarters looks like. Then we're going to get ready to make this delicious crust for this beautiful chicken. So as you guys can see right there, this is the flavorful juice that's left on the plate. You want to pour it on top of the chicken, cover it with a piece of plastic wrap, set it to marinate, and then we're going to get our crust ready. So to make this crust, you will need your grated Parmesan cheese, your garlic and herb panko seasoning, which is right there. So we're going to pour about 1 cup of garlic and herb panko seasoning onto the plate. Then we're going to add 1 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. We're going to mix very, very well. After marinating for 30 minutes, this is what our chicken quarters looks like. It looks absolutely beautiful. So now we're going to get ready to coat these beautiful chicken quarters into our Parmesan garlic and herb seasoning. Make sure to coat the front and the back of the chicken. We're going to place these beautiful chicken pieces onto our baking tray. Now we're going to coat the last piece of chicken quarter into the garlic and Parmesan herb seasoning. In the meantime, we're going to get our oven ready. So we're going to set our oven to about 350 degrees. After baking, this is what the chicken looks like. It's not fully done as yet. We're going to add this flavorful leftover seasoning onto the chicken, and then we're going to place the chicken back into the oven. Then I'm going to show you guys the final results of this lemon-crusted oven baked chicken recipe. after baking for another 20 minutes, this is what our chicken looks like. It came out so beautiful. It's nice and colorful. It's juicy on the inside, a bit crunchy on the outside, just the way I like it. And it's flavor packed. I hope you guys enjoy watching this delicious lemon crusted chicken recipe. If you do like this recipe, please share it with your families and friends. And I hope to see you beautiful people in my next video. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Take care.